If you want to open DuckDuckGo in Google Chrome and make it your search engine, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step on your computer, so you can start searching with DuckDuckGo directly from Chrome's address bar. This is a simple change, but it can make your browsing experience feel a lot cleaner and more private. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots. Click those dots to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can change different browser options. On the left sidebar, find and click Search Engine. This section controls how Chrome handles searches from the address bar. Now look for the option that says Search Engine used in the address bar. This is the setting that determines which search engine Chrome uses whenever you type a search directly into the address bar. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and then choose DuckDuckGo from the list. Once you select it, Chrome will use DuckDuckGo as the default search engine in the address bar. From this point on, whenever you type a search and press Enter, your query will go through DuckDuckGo instead of the default search engine. That's it! You've successfully opened DuckDuckGo in Google Chrome and changed your search engine setting. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you want a different search experience. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.